Are you struggling to stand out in the competitive job market? The struggle is real, but there's hope. You see, in this ever-evolving world of work, it's not just about having the right qualifications, it's about being unique, being memorable. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to delve into the heart of the matter, exploring key strategies that can help you rise above the crowd. We'll discuss how to showcase your unique skills in a way that captures attention. We'll talk about creating a standout portfolio, one that tells your professional story and makes a compelling case for your candidacy. And we'll also dive into the art of effectively communicating your value proposition. These are tried and true strategies that can make a world of difference in your job search. So if you're ready to step up your game and make your mark, stick around. Stay tuned to learn how to make a remarkable first impression and secure your dream job. The first strategy to stand out is showcasing your unique skills. This is not just about listing your skills on a resume or mentioning them during an interview. It's about identifying the skills that set you apart from the crowd and demonstrating how they can add value to a potential employer. Think about what you do differently. Is there a unique approach you take to problem solving? Have you developed a knack for leading teams and inspiring productivity? Perhaps you're a coding whiz with a talent for turning complex problems into simple, elegant solutions. These are your unique skills, and they are your ticket to standing out in a competitive job market. But how do you identify these skills? Start by reflecting on your past experiences. Consider your accomplishments and the skills you used to achieve them. Don't limit yourself to just professional experiences. Think about your personal life, volunteer work, or even hobbies. You'd be surprised at how many unique skills you can unearth from these areas. Now, how do you showcase these skills? A resume is a great place to start. It's not just a list of past jobs and education, it's a platform to highlight your unique skills. When describing your past roles, don't just state what you did. Instead, focus on how you did it differently and the unique skills you used. For example, instead of saying, managed a team of 5 salespeople, you could say, led a diverse team of 5 salespeople, utilizing my unique approach to motivation and conflict resolution to exceed sales targets consistently. Don't stop at your resume. Use your unique skills to shine during interviews. Tell stories that highlight these skills. For instance, if you're great at problem solving, share a story about a time you solved a complex problem at work. Make sure to articulate how your unique skill played a pivotal role in the outcome. Remember, your unique skills are what make you different from other candidates. Don't be shy to show them off. The second strategy is creating a standout portfolio. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a portfolio? Well, imagine you're at a job interview and you're asked to provide evidence of your skills and achievements. It's one thing to say you're good at something, but it's another to demonstrate it. And that's where a portfolio comes in. It's a tangible, curated collection of your best work that showcases your skills, creativity, and achievements. Creating a standout portfolio isn't a walk in the park, but it's definitely doable with the right approach. Here are some tips to get you started. First, know your audience. Your portfolio should be tailored to the specific needs and expectations of your potential employer. If you're applying for a graphic design job, for instance, your portfolio should highlight your creativity and design skills. Next, choose the right format. A portfolio can be a physical binder, a digital file, or even a personal website. The best format depends on your industry and the type of work you do. If you're in a creative field, a personal website might be the way to go. For traditional industries, a well-organized PDF might be better. Quality over quantity is key. Include only your best work in your portfolio. It's better to have 5 pieces of excellent work than 20 mediocre ones. Remember, you're showcasing your skills and achievements, not just filling up space. And finally, make it easy to navigate. Organize your portfolio in a logical way with clear headings and descriptions for each piece of work. Potential employers should be able to quickly find and understand the work you've included. A standout portfolio is your visual resume. Make sure it's well organized, professional, and highlights your best work. The third strategy is effectively communicating your value proposition. Now, what is a value proposition, you may ask? It's a clear statement that reflects your professional skills, personal attributes, and the value you can bring to an organization. It's like your unique selling point in the job market, and it's critical to make it shine. Remember, everyone has a value proposition, it's just a matter of identifying it. Start by taking a deep look at your professional experiences. What unique skills have you learned? What accomplishments are you most proud of? What challenges have you overcome? Your answers to these questions will help you define your value proposition. Once you've identified your value proposition, the next step is to communicate it effectively. This is where the magic happens. Your value proposition should be front and center in all your job search materials, including your cover letter, resume, and even your LinkedIn profile. Let's start with your cover letter. This is your opportunity to tell your story. Use it to highlight your unique skills and experiences and how they align with the job you're applying for. Remember to be specific and give examples. Show, don't tell, as they say. Next is your resume. Here, your value proposition should be reflected in your professional summary or objective statement at the top of the document. This is the first thing hiring managers see, so make it count. Highlight your key skills and experiences and how they can benefit the company. Finally, during your interview, your value proposition should guide your responses. When asked about your strengths or why you're the best fit for the job, use this opportunity to reiterate your value proposition. Be confident, be clear, and most importantly, be authentic. Your value proposition is what sets you apart from other candidates. Make sure you can communicate it clearly and confidently. Remember, the job market may be competitive, but with the right strategies, you can stand out and shine. Let's recap on how to stand out in a competitive job market. In the last few minutes, we've been on a journey exploring the strategies that can make you a beacon in a sea of job seekers. We have delved into 3 primary areas that can be your stepping stones to success: showcasing your unique skills, creating a standout portfolio, and effectively communicating your value proposition. Showcasing your unique skills is the first strategy we touched on. Remember, every job seeker has a unique blend of skills and experiences that sets them apart. It's not just about what you can do, but how you do it. Maybe you're a problem solver with a knack for creative solutions, or perhaps you're a communicator who can turn complex jargon into understandable language. Whatever your unique skills are, make sure they shine brightly on your resume and in your interviews. Next, we discussed creating a standout portfolio. This is your opportunity to show potential employers tangible proof of your skills and accomplishments. It's your story told through your work. Whether you're an artist with a collection of your best pieces, a writer with published articles, or a project manager with successful projects under your belt, a well-crafted portfolio can speak volumes about your capabilities. It's about quality over quantity, so focus on showcasing your best work that aligns with the job you're seeking. Then, we dived into the art of effectively communicating your value proposition. This is how you articulate not just what you can do, but the unique value you can bring to a role. It's about expressing your passion, your drive, and your potential impact. It's about painting a vivid picture of what you'll bring to the table and how you'll help the company succeed. Be clear, be confident, and most importantly, be authentic. As we wrap up this journey, let's take a moment to remember that standing out in a competitive job market is not an overnight task. It requires persistence, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of growth. But remember, the effort you put in is an investment in your future. A few final tips to keep in mind: keep learning and updating your skills, network as much as you can, and always be open to feedback. Stay positive and resilient, even when faced with rejection. Each setback is just another opportunity to refine your approach and come back stronger. Remember, standing out in a job market is about showcasing your unique skills, creating a standout portfolio, and effectively communicating your value proposition. With these strategies, you're well on your way to securing your dream job. Good luck. Thank you for tuning into our channel. We hope that the content we provide assists you in finding your next great career opportunity. If you are searching for a new career or thinking about getting into the job market, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from crafting your resume for the job you want to negotiating the offer. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or coworkers who might benefit from these job seeker tips. For a regular regimen of proven job seeker tips and tools for success, make sure to subscribe to our channel, EmployMentors. Our team of expert recruiters are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired throughout your job search. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with wealth and prosperity.